Hi everyone, this is Gina. I am coming to you to show you a segment on some arm exercises you can do while at home. Some simple objects in your house if you don't happen to have weights. I'm just going to use some light 3-pound weights. You can do this with anything. It could be 1 pound, 3 pound, 4, 5, whatever you have. You can even use a bottle of water, or you can use a simple object in your home such as a can. So we're going to do 10 reps of bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. Next thing we're going to do is some shoulder raises. So you're going to come up and down, up and down, and I'm going to count. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next thing we're going to do is what we call a hammer curl. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Another thing we can do, which you should always use light weights for, is you should stand up if you can. If you need to be in a chair, you can do this in a chair. But we're going to do a side raise. And we'll alternate it so it's easier for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I hope you like that segment to help strengthen those arms.